This example is in problem solving using sets. 32 children were asked if they liked chocolate or toffee ice creams or both. 3 liked only chocolate, 21 liked both, and 2 liked neither. How many liked only toffee ice cream? So fill in the key pieces of information that you know already. First of all, we'll label the two sets C and T, and then U for the outside. It says there are 32 children in total. It says 3 like chocolate only, so that meant 3 go out in this part. It said 21 like both, so we know 21 goes in the middle. And then it said 2 like neither, so we know 2 people go on the outside. Now we know the total again is 32, so all 4 of these numbers should add up to 32. So if we add 21 plus 3 plus 2, we can see that that's equal to 26. And then if we take 32, take away 26, we'll see that there should be 6 people remaining. So 6 people liked toffee ice cream only. Moving on to question 2, quite similar. There are 60 students in second year. They were asked if they had WhatsApp, Snapchat or both. We know 30 students have WhatsApp, 18 have Snapchat and 12 have both. Use the Venn diagram to fill in, or use this information to fill in the Venn diagram. So we're going to label the sets W and S for WhatsApp and Snapchat, and then U for the outside. Fill the inside out. Fill it from the inside out. 12 students have both WhatsApp and Snapchat, so we know 12 people go here. It says 30 students have WhatsApp, so that means 30 students in the full circle have WhatsApp. 12 are already in the middle, so 18 are remaining here. And then we know that 18 students have Snapchat. There are 18 students in this full Snapchat circle. 12 are in the middle, so there are 6 remaining here. Now most people would think they're finished here, but don't forget that there are 60 students in second year. Some may not even have WhatsApp or Snapchat. So it's 18 plus 12 plus 6. Add all of those up and you can see your answer is 36. To find the remaining ones that go on the outside, it's going to be 60, take away 36, and we can see my answer is 24. So that means 24 people go on the outside, 24 people don't have either WhatsApp or Snapchat. Okay, this is question 5, quite similar to the previous one. The only difference is we've got 3 sets this time. A researcher found an old census about data about measles, chickenpox and whooping cough among 12-year-old children. In a group of 100 children, it gives us the following information. 31 had none of the diseases, 2 had all 3, 2 had measles and chickenpox but not whooping cough, 6 had whooping cough and chickenpox, 11 had at least 2 diseases, 18 had measles, and 40 had chickenpox. It says use this data to fill in the information. Already gives us the labels, so we're going to call this one M, this one C, and this one W. And then obviously the outside is called U. First piece of information, 31 had neither of these diseases. Okay, so they didn't have any of them, so we can put 31 on the outside. Next up, 2 had all 3 diseases. So we're going to fill it from the inside out. 2 people go in the middle. 2 people had chickenpox but not whooping cough. So you can see 2 people had measles and chickenpox, so that would go in here, and they didn't have whooping cough. Okay, so they, not in this part, it's in this part only. And then we can see 6 people had whooping cough and chickenpox, so that means 6 people in this full circle had whooping cough and chickenpox, so that means 4 are remaining to go out here. And then it says 11 had at least 2 of the diseases, so that means all 4 of these numbers should add up to 11. These 3 add up to 8. Take that away from 11 and you can see that you have 3 people left. So we've got most of the information used already. Next one, 18 had measles. We know that the full circle should add up to 18. We're only missing one piece of information. These 3 add up to 7. Take that away from 18 and your answer is 11. It said 40 people had chickenpox, so this full circle should add up to 40. We have 8 people here already. Take that away from 40 and you're left with 32 people. And now the last piece of information we're looking for, we need to find out how many people had whooping cough only. We need to add up all of these numbers. We can see that the total would be, if we added these 3, we've got 45, 50, 81, 85. So then it's going to be 100 minus 85, and that would be equal to 15. So 15 people had whooping cough only. Part B of this, we have to use our Then everyone to answer the following statements. Okay. Statement 1 is done for 6 had whooping cough and chickenpox. So that's the part here. So it's the number of people who had whooping cough and chickenpox was 6. This one here gives us 36 people. 36 people had chickenpox but not measles. So it's 36 had chickenpox but not measles. And then the last one we need to do is 2 had measles and chickenpox but not whooping cough. So it's 2 is equal to the number of people who had measles and chickenpox but not whooping cough. And that would be that one done.